cyber insurance is a really important aspect of the business, just as having fire insurance or anything else would be. You have to prepare for the worst and certainly hope for the best. Where I think things have really helped with the cyber insurance industry as well is it's also matured over time. When it first came out, it was very simplistic. Do these, few basic security things and you'll get a policy. I think they learned the hard way that that's not enough. And so they've also become much more sophisticated in how they operate. I think they've partnered with the cyber industry much more to drive the bar up. So it's much higher for organizations to be able to obtain cyber insurance. And that's just a better thing for the entire industry. Just like car insurance, forcing you to drive more safely to get better rates, causes people to drive more safely, shockingly enough. And so when you have higher standards to get cyber insurance, it raises the cyber standards. And so I think it's been a great thing for the industry, and I expect that they'll continue over time to get even more sophisticated and understand the things that will drive the security and safety of the companies seeking insurance, and it's just going to get better for everybody. For companies who are really strapped with resources or knowledge or skill to do that, it's great to engage with a third party. A company like Arctic Wolf, we play very well with the cyber insurance industry on both fronts. I think we use a lot of the guidelines that they have to help customers up front during our security journey and through our concierge team to ensure that they're meeting all the standards to be able to get a cybersecurity policy. We have tools that we actually make available to customers who are seeking cyber insurance to go ahead and do a quick checklist. Hey, how am I going to fare when I try and get insurance, and what are some of the gaps that I have? Many of these organizations, they don't do cyber for a living. They don't understand it. They need to engage with experts. And I think, for us, we also have the relationship on the incident response side of the business. So when somebody does run into an issue, the cyber insurance companies often use us to come help them resolve it. So I think, we have kind of both ends of the spectrum covered there for them. One of the key drivers for us to get them exposed to cyber insurance is our warranty. So we have a security operations warranty. We back our operations with this. This is a great value to our customers. No matter how great we are at security, no one's perfect. And so you do have to prepare for the worst. And so our security operations warranty does that. And that's, for many customers, really their first introduction into the cyber insurance space. It becomes a big part of our security journey with them. So we're also seeing that kind of maturation in the industry. But for many of our customers, it's our operations warranty that really gives them that initial introduction to the cyber insurance space. We span basically all the different aspects of your security. So we look at every attack surface that you have. So we have eyes on your entire ecosystem, which is going to reduce, obviously, the risk of your security. We have our security journey, which is where we engage with a customer initially. We walk them through what we call security posture in-depth reviews, or we call them spiders. And we walk our customers through all those so they understand they're setting up with good security hygiene. And then on the back end, in the event the worst happens and you get attacked, we have our security operations warranty where we provide up to $1 million of cyber insurance for our customers. So you have that peace of mind that in the event that something should happen, we have that warranty available to you. And we also have our incident response teams where you can actually jump into what we call the Cyber Jumpstart program. So I can sign up ahead of time. In the event that something bad happens, you kind of jump to the front of the line. You get this incident response team in there quickly. The security operations warranty kicks in, and you have a great opportunity to recover gracefully from what could be a potentially disastrous event. The warranty is the peace of mind. As we know, every attack has cost to it. It's cost against business operations, it's brand costs. In some cases, you're paying a ransom. The warranty really comes into play there for all of those categories, for helping defer the costs of any potential loss of your operations, efficiencies, the resources you're going to have to apply internally against an attack, the cost you're going to have to incur for having an incident response from like Arctic Wolf coming and help you with the attack, all the way down to the potential ransom that you may have to pay.